Hey guys, gonna do a quick video of the Holley Terminator X Max truck kit for the 24X. Got this from my buddy Kenneth Morse, so wanted to say thank you for the hookup on that. But this is what will be going in the C10, so wanted to give you guys a look on what all you get with this kit. So obviously you get your instruction manual. Goes for everything with your fuel requirements for your fuel line, filters, pump, all that sort of stuff, oxygen sensor mounting, the different sensor connections, which ones you do need, which ones you don't. So pretty thorough guide here on everything that you need. Talking about your grounds, handheld connector for the handheld unit. Also, this is the Terminator X Max, so it does have the trans control. So it has the transmission harness, and I'll go over and show you that. Works with a 4L60E or a 4L80E. Then kind of just has some throttle body things if you have a drive-by-wire throttle body. I don't. I'll be using a drive-by cable on this. And then goes into how to use some of the tuning through the handheld module that you get. Get a Holley Terminator X sticker. That'll be going on the toolbox. This kit is your transmission harness. So you'll see it's already got a relay set up for you, all the plugs for the 4L60 or 4L80. Pretty much everything you need right there. Nice plug and play. This is your actual ECU. So the Terminator X Max is a bigger ECU because it has the additional plugs for the trans. The regular Terminator X is about 2/3 of the size of this. On the top you can see you've got some LED indicators. So Holley says when you mount it, you should mount it with the indicators facing up, and obviously that prevents any moisture from getting in the plugs on the bottom. Then obviously you have all of your wiring. Everything is labeled. Coolant temp sensor, ignition even, which is for your passenger side bank, and it's even because it's 2468 for your cylinders. Then you also obviously have your ignition odd, which is the driver's side 1357, throttle position sensor, oil sensor, knock sensor, fuel, cam sensor. Everything's got nice wrap on it. And obviously you have your main control unit. Nice little display. You also can use a Windows tablet. The Windows tablets, you can get some on Amazon for about $100. If you see people that have the fancy dashes, it's probably a Windows tablet based off the Terminator X. Then this is your main power. They give you the connectors and heat shrink that you need. Includes everything you need for your main harness, and then gives you your power wires, and obviously you connect those straight to the battery. You get additional wires for any additional output that you need. And then this is your O2 sensor. The O2 sensor is included. It's a Bosch, one that they recommend. So that one you obviously will want to hook up. They warn you not to run the ECU with the oxygen sensor hooked up and not in your exhaust. So hope to have everything installed here within the next 2 weeks, so stay tuned for a video on that. Thanks guys.